Dreams are not mere flights of fancy conjured by the imagination. They possess deeper significance that transcends the boundaries of the conscious mind. During slumber, our soul detaches from the physical vessel, allowing it to roam freely in the astral realm. Whether we experience natural sleep, drug-induced sleep, or even the mysterious state of death, dreams become the medium through which we interact with the astral world. In this ethereal domain, the astral body, an ethereal duplicate of our physical form, serves as the vessel that enables our innermost emotions and desires to manifest. It is crucial to recognize that the physical body is a temporary vessel for the true self, which exists beyond the confines of time and space. Understanding the nature of this inner self becomes essential in unraveling the profound meanings hidden within our dreams. While the physical body slumbers, the astral body embarks on remarkable journeys, unbound by the limitations of the material world. During these astral adventures, the astral body can maintain a close connection to the physical form or travel vast distances, spanning continents, and even reaching celestial realms. Yet, despite this separation, a magnetic connection persists, enabling the soul to return to its physical vessel upon waking. Dreams are influenced by various factors, and their origins can be traced to different sources. Subconscious memory plays a significant role, as the mind processes and relives past experiences during sleep. Additionally, telepathic communication can occur between individuals, living or deceased, during dreams. In this state, the astral realm acts as a bridge, allowing thoughts to traverse great distances, bringing comfort, guidance, or even premonitions. Understanding the power of thoughts is crucial, for thoughts shape our reality and have the potential to determine our destiny. In the astral realm, where the power of thought is amplified, harnessing positive and constructive thoughts becomes a path to progress and the resolution of complex problems. During sleep, dreams are as diverse as the stars in the night sky, and they can be categorized into 4 distinct variations, each with its unique qualities and significance. Physical stimulus dreams occur when external factors in the waking world influence dream experiences. For example, the sound of a falling book may manifest as a dream about a sudden and loud noise. Subconscious memory dreams draw from the vast repository of our life experiences, playing them like a reel of memories during sleep. These dreams can hold significant clues to unresolved emotions, unresolved conflicts, or even buried talents waiting to be awakened. Telepathic dreams, often shrouded in a mystical aura, involve the exchange of thoughts and emotions between individuals, regardless of distance or time. These telepathic dreams can be a poignant connection between loved ones, or a message from a departed soul seeking to convey comfort or guidance. Actual astral experiences take the dreamer beyond the realms of the physical world into the non-physical astral planes. In these dreams, the individual's consciousness travels to distant places, encounters ethereal beings, and experiences the vastness of the cosmic dimensions. These dreams can be transformative, offering glimpses of higher truths and the mysteries of existence. Rather than dismissing dreams as insignificant or inconsequential, they present an opportunity for profound self-exploration and personal growth. By delving into the symbolism of our dreams, we can unlock hidden aspects of our psyche, revealing new perspectives on our waking lives. Telepathic dreams remain one of the most intriguing aspects of dream experiences, blurring the boundaries between minds and souls. In these dreams, the dreamer's consciousness enters into communion with another, living or deceased, transcending the barriers of time and distance. These telepathic connections often manifest in the astral realm, where the usual constraints of the material world lose their grip. Within telepathic dreams, one may encounter vivid visions of distant places, meet with departed loved ones, or even receive premonitions of future events. These premonitions, while veiled in the enigma of dreams, have been known to provide accurate and insightful glimpses into the unfolding tapestry of life. Unraveling the symbolic language of dreams is akin to deciphering a complex code, for these messages are often cloaked in metaphor and allegory. For instance, a dream about a dark and treacherous river might carry a deeper message of emotional turmoil, while a dream about a soaring eagle may signify soaring ambition or newfound freedom. Telepathic dreams offer a unique connection to the realm of the unseen, hinting at the existence of an interconnected web of consciousness that transcends the boundaries of the physical world. Such dreams remind us that death is not the end, but a transition where the bonds of love and connection endure, even beyond the veil of mortality. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of powerful dream experiences that have left indelible imprints on the lives of individuals. In these instances, dreams have served as catalysts for transformative change and profound discoveries. One such remarkable account involves a warden who had a dream warning of an imminent jailbreak. He took heed of the dream's message and foiled the escape attempt, preventing a potentially disastrous event. Another inspiring story revolves around a woman who composed beautiful songs based on her dreams, revealing the untapped wellspring of creativity that lies within the realm of dreams. Artists, too, have been known to draw inspiration from the astral realm. The story of an artist who created a masterpiece under the guidance of a deceased artist serves as a testament to the profound influence of the unseen realms on human creativity. The ego, that constant companion of the conscious mind, plays a significant role in the dream experience. It serves as the bridge between the dream state and waking consciousness, transferring knowledge and experiences from the astral realm into the conscious mind. Premonitory dreams, in particular, highlight the ego's ability to warn individuals of impending danger or significant events. These dreams may come in the form of vivid visions or cryptic symbols, impressing upon the dreamer the urgency of the message. In one poignant account, a lieutenant wrote a death poem before embarking on a fateful plane journey. Tragically, the plane crashed, and the poem stood as a haunting testament to the premonitory power of dreams. The ego's role in dreams extends beyond mere premonitions. It can also impress upon the mind important information, guiding the dreamer towards important decisions or discoveries. For those seeking to harness the power of astral experiences and attain conscious awareness during sleep, rigorous training and an unselfish approach are paramount. Astral projection, a practice wherein the individual becomes conscious of leaving the physical body during sleep, offers the potential to assist others in astral form. Acting with selflessness and compassion during astral experiences is essential, as using these abilities for selfish gain can hinder spiritual growth and lead to an unbalanced path. Developing sensitivity and harmony is crucial to accurately interpret and understand astral experiences. The astral realm often communicates through symbols and metaphors, requiring a keen intellect and an open heart to unlock its deeper meanings. Recording dreams in a journal is a helpful practice for those seeking to remember astral experiences in waking consciousness. By recording dreams immediately upon waking, one can preserve the details and nuances of the dream state, bringing greater clarity to their significance. Resolving to remember astral experiences is a conscious commitment to expanding one's awareness beyond the limitations of the physical realm. It is a step toward awakening the latent potential within, as dreams become a gateway to exploring the vastness of consciousness. Mastering the art of conscious astral projection is a profound and transformative journey. Those who attain mastery may journey beyond the astral realm, delving into a state of dreamless sleep where the essence of pure consciousness unfolds in the boundless expanse of the Absolute. In this state, the individual transcends the limitations of the physical and astral planes, merging with the infinite source of existence itself. Embarking on this path of conscious astral exploration requires unwavering dedication and a willingness to confront the deepest layers of one's being. It is a journey of self-discovery, where the veil of illusion is gradually lifted, revealing the true nature of reality. The astral traveler must cultivate a strong sense of detachment, letting go of the ego's grasp and surrendering to the vast expanse of the cosmic consciousness. Along this path, the seeker may encounter beings of light, spiritual guides, and ancient wisdom keepers who serve as mentors and guardians, offering guidance and insight. These encounters can be profoundly transformative, shattering preconceived notions and expanding the boundaries of one's understanding. The astral realms are vast and multifaceted, encompassing realms of light and darkness, joy and sorrow, creation and dissolution. As the seeker progresses, the ability to consciously navigate these realms becomes more refined, allowing for the exploration of higher dimensions of existence. In these lofty realms, the individual may glimpse the intricate tapestry of the cosmos, the dance of energy and vibration that underlies all of creation. They may also gain insights into the nature of consciousness itself, recognizing that it is not merely a byproduct of the physical brain, but a fundamental aspect of the universe. Throughout this journey, the practice of mindfulness and meditation becomes indispensable, allowing the seeker to maintain a state of presence and awareness even in the most ethereal realms. By quieting the mind and stilling the fluctuations of thought, the individual can attune themselves to the subtleties of the astral planes, perceiving the intricate patterns and energies that permeate existence. As the boundaries between the physical and non-physical dissolve, the astral traveler may also gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all life. They may realize that the separation between individual consciousnesses is an illusion, and that we are all part of a vast, interconnected web of existence. This realization can foster a profound sense of compassion and unity, transcending the limitations of the ego and embracing the universal nature of consciousness. Ultimately, the mastery of conscious astral projection is not merely about exploring other realms, but about achieving a state of self-realization and enlightenment. It is a journey inward, where the deepest mysteries of the self are unveiled, and the individual merges with the infinite source of existence. In this state of unity, the seeker transcends the cycle of birth and death, recognizing their true nature as an eternal and infinite being. However, this path is not without its challenges. The astral realms can be vast and bewildering, and the seeker may encounter beings and energies that test their resolve and commitment. There is also the risk of becoming lost or trapped in lower astral realms, where negative energies and thought forms can exert their influence. It is essential for the astral traveler to maintain a strong ethical foundation, grounded in principles of love, wisdom, and service to others. Despite these challenges, the rewards of mastering conscious astral projection are immeasurable. It is a path that opens the door to the infinite potential of the human spirit, offering a glimpse into the mysteries of existence and the true nature of reality. For those who embrace this journey with courage, dedication, and an open heart, the rewards are nothing short of profound transformation and the realization of our true, infinite nature.